we're back today. We're just going to keep going, as I have said before. So I'm going to put these together. And I'm going to put this together. Okay, if I can get it to go on there, come on. There we go. Right. Okay, so this apparently is going to go here. Okay, just like that. Straighten it out a little bit. Alright, and I went back into my Lego collection and pulled out some pieces. I've got these, which are kind of cool. I painted them, they're all blue. And then I got this one up here, and that one was a white piece if you can't tell. And this goes right here. I didn't have perfect colors, so, you know, do what you can. No one's really gonna notice. If they pay close attention to that, I'm like really surprised. Okay. So I need to do this. Yeah. Oh, wait. You know what? I'm forgetting something. Am I forgetting something? Nope. I'm not forgetting anything. Okay. So this goes here. This is going to be hard to do because I got to put it on that and then stick it on these studs out here, which I think I'm going to do is roll it over. Oh, come on. Okay, so that's gotta go like that. That's gonna go like that. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing here, like this. And hopefully this will all snap together. There we go. It'll look like it's snapped together. A little bit of pressure. You gotta be careful when you do it though, because you don't want too much pressure. This one's gonna go here. That's gonna make that solid. Now, I need one light. It's gonna go here. There we go. Okay. Oh, worried about that. Oh, wait. Okay. Now I know why that's like that. That's at an angle. Why did that come out at an angle? That's kind of weird. Okay. There we go. That's better. That's much better. Okay. Much better. Okay, that's perfect. That's what that's supposed to be. I'm checking my directions here. This goes here. And don't worry about the white, because it will get covered. This one goes here. This one goes, whoop. This one goes here. Yeah, this one goes here. That. Okay, and then I need a 6. These are pain sometimes because they don't want to line up right away. And then you get this. So, I'm going to keep going. Come on. I'm going to have to take this off for just a minute. Guess I'm going to keep going until I get it on there. And then I got it on there. I'm going to put this back where it belongs. Okay, so now all together like that, and then I'm going to take these two long ones and stick them here. Believe it or not, this is all going to match up just like that. Huh. Okay. It's kind of interesting. I miscounted somewhere, but that's okay. Because that is everything for that. Just making sure I squared this up properly. It does look like that. And that's going, yep, okay. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see you in the next video.